Hello everyone, today we are going to dissect hibiscus flower, that is China rose. Flower is a part of a plant which help in reproduction. This is flower in bud condition where green hole protect the reproductive parts of a flower. This is a pedicel of a flower. Those flowers which are having pedicel are called as pedicellate flower, and the flower those which are not having pedicel are known as sessile flower. So now let's dissect the flower. This green leaf-like structure is called as apicalyx. Apicalyx is a group of brackets which create an additional hole around the calyx, and this second hole, that is this green one, is called as calyx. This green hole is called as calyx. Calyx is to ensure flower life, such as provide protection, photosynthesis, defense against insects. Main function of calyx is to protect the flower in bud condition. You can see this. This is calyx, and this protect all reproductive parts in bud condition. Then this colorful attractive part is called as corolla, or these all are petals, and these all petals are collectively called as corolla. Main function of corolla is to attract pollinator for pollination. Now in the center you can see the reproductive parts of a flower. This one is ovary, and this one is style, and this one is stigmas. These are the stigmas. Stigma, style and ovary collectively called as pistil. This is female reproductive part of a flower. Second one is male reproductive part of a flower, which consists of filament and anthers, and these are collectively called as stamen. This is male reproductive part of a flower. So this is the dissection of hibiscus flower, that is China rose. This one is pedicel, which connect the flower to the stem, and flower without pedicel is called as sessile, and with pedicel is called as pedicellate flower. This outermost hole is called as apicalyx, and this one is called as calyx, that protect the reproductive parts in bud condition. Calyx is also called as sepals. All sepals are collectively called as calyx, and colorful parts of flower is called as corolla. All petals are collectively called as corolla, and this is female reproductive part that contain ovary, style and stigma, and collectively known as pistil, and this one is filament and anther, and this is male part of the flower and collectively called as stamen.